Please subscribe so that you will be kept updated on the next lesson. Then, like and share so that you can help other students. Our topic for today is about divisibility rules. You are going to learn it here the easy way. Before we proceed to our main lesson, I would like to ask you one question. How would you know if you have a strong immunity system? Do you know the answer? Let me tell you what is immunity first. Immunity is the capacity of our body to fight and protect itself against inconsistencies and infections. A strong immune system performs as a protector for our body, allowing it to work properly. If we do not look after our health and body, no one will take good care of it. So we need to pay better attention to our health. It is clear now that viruses can easily affect people with weak immune system. I want you guys to watch our videos until the end so that you would know if you have a strong immune system. And in case you do not have, you know what to do. Okay? The objective of our lesson is to be able to remember the divisibility rule. Let us start the numbers that are divisible by 2. All numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 are divisible by 2. So just remember to skip counting by 2's. For example, number 42 is divisible by 2 because it ends in 2. 78 is also divisible by 2 because it ends in 8. So, any number ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are divisible by 2. Remember that. Let us move to numbers divisible by 3. There are 4 steps to find out if the numbers are divisible by 3. Number 1, add up all the digits in the number. Next, find out what the sum is. Then, if the sum is divisible by 3, so is the number. Let us work on 432. We're going to add up all the digits. So, 4 plus 3 plus 2, it is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 432 is also divisible by 3. Let us move forward to the numbers divisible by 4. Just remember, if the last 2 digits in the given number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, 435,212. The number ends in 12, which is divisible by 4. So, 435,212 is divisible by 4. Let us continue on numbers divisible by 5. I want you to remember that numbers ending in 5 or 0 are always divisible by 5. For example, 7,405 is divisible by 5 because it ends in 5. And 1,390 is divisible by 5 also because it ends in 0. It is easy, right? We have now reached numbers divisible by 6. If the given number is divisible by 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. Let's work on this example, 408. The factors of 408 is 3 and 136. And the factors of 136 is 2 and 68. Hence, there are factors which are 3 and 2. Therefore, 408 is divisible by 6. Let us proceed to the numbers divisible by 7. I want you to remember these steps. Number 1, multiply each digit of the number beginning on the right-hand side by 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5. Then, add the products. If the sum is divisible by 7, then also the given number. Let us work on 9,201. Is this divisible by 7? We're going to multiply each digit of the number by 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, and 5. So, we're going to multiply 9 by 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 0 by 2 and 1 by 6. It is equal to 21. 21 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 9,201 is divisible by 7. Let us now proceed to the numbers divisible by 8. We need to check if the last 3 digits of the number are divisible by 8. For example, 7,008. The last 3 digits are divisible by 8, meaning 7,008 is divisible by 8. Let us move to the numbers divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 have the same rule in divisible by 3. We are going to add up all the digits in the number. Then, find out what the sum is. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Let us work on this example. 84,375. Adding up all the digits, 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5, it is equal to 27. And 27 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 84,375 is divisible by 9. We can make a progress now to numbers divisible by 10. Any number ends in 0, it is divisible by 10. It is very easy. For example, 7,540, it ends in 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. We can move now to the numbers divisible by 12. The numbers are divisible by 12 if the rules for divisibility by 3 and 4 applies. Let us work on this example. 74,195,532. Let us apply the rule in divisible by 3. We are going to add up all the digits. So, 7 plus 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2, it is equal to 36. And 36 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 74,195,532 is also divisible by 12. Correspondingly, we are going to apply the rules in divisible by 4. We're going to look for the last 2 digits of the number, and the last 2 digit is 32, which is divisible by 4. Therefore, 74,195,532 is also divisible by 12. We have demonstrated that 74,195,532 are divisible by 3 and 4 because the rules in divisible by 3 and 4 applies. Therefore, the number is also divisible by 12. Let us continue our discussion about immunity system. Do you know that our immunity system is like a car? It needs the right fuel supply. The best way to do this is to include immune supporters in our diet. Just a simple, nutritious diet is everything we need. I want you to listen very well. We need green leafy vegetables like kale, chard, spinach, and curly cabbage. These veggies are powerful stimulants to boost our immunity. These vegetables are loaded with iron, calcium, antioxidants, and flavonoids. It also cleanses our digestive system because they help regulate bowel movements. Legumes are an excellent source of proteins that we must have in our daily diet. Flax seeds also helps our immune system strong. It is a rich source of the omega-3 fatty acid ALA. These plant-based ALA fatty acids are proven to have heart health benefits and are linked to a lower risk of stroke. There are a lot more to make our immunity system strong in our next lesson. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in the dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back and revise it again. Watch it slowly, step by step, and I know you can get it. Our life is always a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I took some information on how to make our immunity system strong in ayurvedic.com. You can check it out there, guys. I always want you to score high in math and be wise and healthy. Okay? Till next math lesson. Be safe. Bye-bye.